Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Travel sector to create 126 million new jobs within the next decade, says WTTC. 98,000 crore Indian rupee investment in airports till 2026. Jet fuel may eventually be under GST. Pent-up demand, economic recovery boost domestic air passenger traffic in March by 36%. Cambodia reduces quarantine period for unvaccinated inbound travelers to 7 days. Hotel industry expects 10% rise in bookings as international flights restart, even more after summers. Go first stops Srinagar Sharjah flight citing lack of bilateral rights. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.